In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert headers and footers in Microsoft Word. So the first thing is let's say we have this Word document and we want to insert a header here. I can just go ahead and come to insert, and then we can come to header here. You can click and then you'll be able to insert a header. Okay, there are different types. For example, you can have the numberings and this type with the 3 columns, the Austin style, and just sometimes the badge and the branded ones. Okay, so you can just go ahead and say edit header, so you can add anything. For example, welcome to my page. Okay, so once you add anything, you double click. This is now going to be reflected on all the pages that you have. Welcome to my page and welcome to my page. At any given point, if you want to edit this, you can just double click on the top and you can see you are now editing the header. Now you've added a header. Okay, so you can close, and mind you have the basic editing. Once you double click, you see the header and footer tab also appearing here, so you can have all of these features to edit, insert a feed, insert a date and page numbers and so on. If you want to add all of this, you can do that. So let's click out now to insert a footer. You can come to the bottom of the page also and double click. That's another way to do it. Or you can as well go to insert and then you'll be able to see footer. Okay, go to insert and you'll be able to see footer down here, and you can add from all of these ones, or you can say edit footer, and this is going to be page something. For example, I can add the number. If you want, I can add the page number here, and this is going to be reading in page numbers. Okay, so for example, I can select this. I can say I want to just insert a date here. Okay, in this format, I can say okay to this, and now I have my date over here. So once you click out, or you can click on close header, now you can have your footer added. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.